Hello everyone, welcome to the Web3 Education and Investment. Today in this video, I'm going to share the updates of Centrifuge. So Centrifuge recently had listed in different DEX, including the Hydra DEX and also the Stellaswap in the Moonbeam ecosystem. They also have the Q2 recap and the RWA summit. So you can check the news on their website. So in the Q2 recap, the founder talked about a lot of things, a lot of latest updates, including the TVL now has more than $210 million. So that's quite high throughout the whole Polkadot ecosystem. And also they have a lot of token holders, and they're going to launch the app, and also the biggest one is on the Stellaswap. Now CFG is listed in Stellaswap. You can go to Stellaswap and you can swap the CFG to DOT to a lot of other tokens. Of course, you can also use the Stellaswap. They have the bridge. You can bridge that from other ecosystem or do the XC transfer, where you can transfer from Polkadot to the Moonbeam. So I can select Polkadot JS, and I'm going to get $1 because on the Pulsar, the main product in the Stellaswap, they do have the LP of CFG and DOT. So I just show you how to deposit the LP. So if you click deposit, you can select different range. That means different risk. So experts is a higher risk but higher profit. So I'm going to select the standard one, and then you should deposit the DOT and the CFG. So I'm going to, as a demo, just show you how to participate. So here the DOT and CFG, you need to first approve them. So just click approve button, and then put the max amount of the spending cap, and then you can just directly put your DOT and CFG. So as a demo, I'm going to put $1 and the review confirm the supply. So you are going to mint the LP NFT. So with this LP NFT, you can do the farming. So I'm going to do farm now, deposit that, and here I already deposited my LP. So I'm going to earn two different tokens rewards, the DOT and the CFG, both of them. So this is very unique as well. So you can claim later on with a fee, and you can also check your position. So that's how you can try the Stellaswap and using the CFG. So how did you feel about the CFG? I think the RWA is going to be a very hot topic in the future. So they have the real world assets. So it's different than the other project. It's very unique in Polkadot as well. So leave your comments, and have you tried the Stellaswap? Have you tried the LP and earn the rewards? Okay, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to thumbs up and leave a comment. So more people will know this video, and they will know about the CFG now is listed in Stellaswap. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.